multiple choice questions. All these questions are based on Sarojini Naidu and her poem Palanquin Bearers. The very first question is Sarojini Naidu after independence of India. After independence was appointed as the governor of. So the answer is here United Provinces. Second one is in which of the following country did Sarojini Naidu go for her higher education outside India? Answer England. Third one question is who founded the Nizam's College at Hyderabad? It was Sarojini Naidu's father. Sarojini Naidu's father founded the Nizam's College at Hyderabad. Then fourth one is Sarojini Naidu got her higher education in the University of, that is Cambridge. She got her higher education in Cambridge. In the poem The Palanquin Bearers, the poetess continuously stresses on the emotional situation. On the emotional situation of whom? Of a bride. Okay, answer is here, that is bride. The next one question. These lines are concerned with the poem The Palanquin Bearers. The words sways, schemes, floats, and glide are used in this poem to describe the movement of whom, of which or of whom, of the palanquin. Sarojini Naidu used phrase we bear her along like a pearl on a string in this poem The Palanquin Bearer. So it is as a refrain. Eighth one is the palanquin bearers are, what they are doing? The palanquin bearers are singing. The palanquin is compared to a bird that flies on the foam of a stream. She skims, this question is very important. She skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. Which figure of speech is used here? So here the figure of speech is simile. In this line, she skims like a bird on the foam of a stream. Then this statement, she springs like a beam on the brow of the tide. She falls like a tear from the eyes of a bride. So this statement is for whom? For the palanquin bearers. Means these lines are, okay, these lines are taken from this poem, not for hunger, not for anxiety, and not from this poem, but the palanquin bearers. Sarojini Naidu can be represented as an Indian Elizabeth, as Browning, as John Keats. So here the answer will be all of these. In 1905, Sarojini joined the Indian national movement in the wake of partition of Bengal. Why do the palanquin bearers sing the song? To please the weeping bride, to please the relatives of the bride, or to please the bride's friend, or to please themselves. So answer is here, to please themselves. The next question is Sarojini Naidu's poem The Palanquin Bearers depicts the culture of, that is future India, modern India, traditional India, or none of these. And answer is traditional India. In modern India, the custom of carrying a palanquin can still be seen in, then here, hilly areas. In modern India, the custom of carrying a palanquin can still be seen in hill areas. 17th one question is she sways like a flower in the wind of our songs. Who is referred to in this line? answer is a bride sitting inside a palanquin. So she, that is a bride. The palanquin seems to hang like a, answer is here, like a star. How many times the word palanquin is used in this poem, the palanquin bearer? And the answer is never used. This word palanquin is not used in this poem. 20th one is Sarojini Naidu's All Things Are Indian. Her theme, her thoughts, her melody, but one thing is of England. And what is that thing? It is the language. Okay, each and everything of Sarojini Naidu is related to India. That is excluding the language. Sarojini's poetry is considered to be a mirror of India. In which year the Palanquin Bearers was published? And answer is 19. Okay, this answer is wrong. Answer is 1905. Palanquin is also known as Palki. Palanquin in Hindi language, it is known as Palki. The poem The Palanquin Bearers is a poem of joy, sadness, boredom, or none of these. Actually, it is a mixture of both because the palanquin bearers, they are enjoying carrying a bride. So this is why that they are singing, because they are enjoying their work. So the answer may be both. We can say that it is also joy and it is also sadness. Sarojini Naidu used phrase lightly, oh lightly in her poem The Palanquin Bearers as a repetition, lightly, oh lightly. So here the figure of speech, oh, she uses phrase, in this phrase, that is repetition. Sarojini Naidu used phrase she floats like a laugh in her poem The Palanquin Bearers as a simile. As a simile. So the figure of speech is here simile. Palanquin is a means of. Palanquin is a means of. So it is a means of palanquin or palki. It is a means of transport. Then 28th one question is choose the right comparison in the phrase she sways like a flower in poem The Palanquin Bearers. This is the right comparison, that the bride is delicate. Answer is here. Which of the following poem may be ranked as philosophical poem? Palanquin Bearers, Indian Weavers, The Bud of Time, none of these. So the philosophical poem can be mentioned as it is Indian Weavers, because there are presented three stages of life. Name the city where Sarojini Naidu was born. She was born in Hyderabad. Sarojini Naidu was born on 13th of Feb 1879. She floats like a laugh, bears the figure of speech named, again simile figure of speech. Where was the Golden Threshold published? It was published in UK, United Kingdom. The poem The Palanquin Bearers first appeared where? That is in which collection? In The Golden Threshold. Sarojini Naidu married Dr. Naidu at the age of when she was only 19. Next question is the word pearl mentioned in the poem The Palanquin Bearers means a valuable stone. Pearl is mentioned just like a valuable stone. Her birthday is celebrated as whose birthday? The birthday of Sarojini Naidu is celebrated as Women's Day. Then these kinds of questions are also asked. Choose the right comparison in the phrase she sways like a flower mentioned in poem The Palanquin Bearers. So the bride gets so excited by emotions that she starts shivering very much. Answer is here, the bride is delicate. Okay, the bride is delicate, fragile and beautiful like a flower which moves or sways in the air. None of the above. The bride is so low in weight and small in height that she cannot withstand the power of a storm. So not A, not B, the answer will be C. Next one question is, we hear, we bear her along like a pearl on a string. Here the pearl on a string is compared with what? With a poised and prestigious bride. 40th one is, choose the words with which bride in the second stanza of the poem The Palanquin Bearers is compared. She is compared with a star, a beam, a tear and a pearl on a string. 41 is, choose a contradiction between two phrases as she falls like a tear and she floats like a laugh in the poem The Palanquin Bearers. And answer will be here. First, the bride is in tears as she is separated from her father's family, but then she laughs because she is going to be united with her husband to begin a new and exciting life. So all these were questions related to Sarojini Naidu's The Palanquin Bearers.